I honestly didn't think this would work. I've tested a lot of AI video tools over the last year. Most of them are impressive for 5 minutes, then reality hits. The videos look fake, the acting feels weird, and nobody would actually use them in a real ad campaign. That's why I was skeptical when I heard people were creating UGC style ads with Google Omni. I assumed it was just another AI hype cycle, but after testing it myself, I have to admit, the results caught me off guard. The first thing I tried was a basic product ad, nothing fancy. Just a simple prompt describing a person talking about a product like they would in a TikTok video. And honestly, the first result wasn't great. It looked okay, but it still felt like AI. Then I started changing the prompts. That's when things got interesting. Instead of describing the product, I started describing the person, their age, their personality, their camera angle, their environment, how they were speaking. Suddenly the videos felt much more natural, not perfect, but way closer to real UGC than I expected. The second thing that surprised me was speed. Normally, creating UGC ads means finding creators, waiting for revisions, sending briefs, reviewing footage, and going back and forth for days. With Google Omni, I could test multiple concepts in a single afternoon, and that's where I think the real opportunity is. Not replacing creators, testing ideas. If you're running ads, you already know that most ad creatives fail. The hard part isn't making one ad. The hard part is testing dozens of variations until something works. That's where Google Omni starts becoming interesting. You can quickly experiment with different hooks, different angles, different styles, and different audiences without spending thousands upfront. Now, let's be realistic. Will these videos completely replace human UGC creators? Probably not, at least not right now. Real people still bring authenticity that AI struggles to replicate, but that's not the point. The point is speed. The point is iteration. The point is testing ideas before investing serious money. And for business owners, agencies, and marketers, that's a huge advantage. After spending time with it, I don't think Google Omni is just another AI video generator. I think it's becoming a creative testing tool, a way to validate concepts faster than ever before. And honestly, that's where the crazy results come from. Not because the AI is perfect, because it lets you test 10 ideas while everyone else is still producing their first ad. And in advertising, that speed can make a massive difference. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.